Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. These tyres are the business, aren't they? Now the difference it makes. We wouldn't have got up here on our other tyres, would we? We'd be spinning out and everything. Oh, I tell you what, look at that for the view. I don't get to see green very often. Even in my garden I've got artificial grass.
Ah, this is it. Joe, just one of these lanes is worth it, isn't it? Ah, man.
This is the life, isn't it?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, the wife's gone to London today.
Oh, bloody hell.
Yeah, I took Trent to London for the day. I said, "Yep, you're gonna enjoy the city. I know what I'm going." You know, different game altogether. These tyres, am.
Yeah.
Different game altogether. Yeah. All you got to do now is just point where you want to go, didn't you? Before, we was having to think, will I get there if I point it that way?
These literally are point and shoot, aren't they?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.